What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome to my space. Take your shoes off, stay a while. I'm going to share some entertaining content, hopefully, and also some information today on the importance of turning off your cell phone notifications when recording a video. Just kidding, but let me do that. Okay, back to the video. Okay, welcome into a topic that often goes unnoticed, but it is crucial when preparing one of the world's staple dishes. Drum roll, please. Rice. Now, whether you're cooking a fragrant basmati rice, a sticky sushi rice, or a hearty brown rice, why is it so important? Let's find out. First up, removing impurities. During the milling and packaging process, rice can gather small stones, dirt, insects, and a bunch of other things. Most commercially packaged rice is relatively clean. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Rinsing your rice, that's a tongue twister, washes away any unwanted particles, leaving you with pure, clean grains ready for cooking. Notice the cloudy water while I'm rinsing this rice. That's the excess starch being washed away. This starch can cause your rice to clump up or become too sticky, which isn't ideal for most dishes. By rinsing until the water runs clear, you will ensure your grains are separate and fluffy and perfect for achieving that ideal texture. 3. Enhancing flavor and texture. Cleaning rice can enhance the flavor and the texture. Rinsing it all away allows that true flavor of the rice to shine and come through, making you the star in the kitchen and making your meals far more delicious. 4. It improves nutritional value. While it might seem counterintuitive, some might argue that washing your rice will wash away some of the nutritional aspects of the rice itself, but washing your rice actually helps eliminate the substances that you don't want in your body and allows your body to better absorb those nutritional aspects from the rice itself. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, because I love to hear from you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I don't just do videos on food, I do information, motivation, inspiration of all kinds, and I would like to share my general interest of a wide variety of things with you. So if you're interested in a wide variety of things, then this channel may be just for you. As always, spread love, be love, and catch you in the next video.